Let's look at this question here. For every integer k from 1 to 10 inclusive, the kth term of certain sequence is given by minus 1 power of k plus 1 into 1 by 2 power of k. If t is the sum of these first 10 terms, then t is. So the question is asking for the value of the t, which is the sum of the first 10 terms. And here it's given in the options. We can see that we have t greater than 2, t lies between 1 and 2, and so on and so forth, right? Now, if we come across the question like this, where the question is not asking us to calculate the sum of the first terms. Rather, it is asking us either to estimate or basically approximate the sum of the first 10 terms. Basically, you should not consider the terms which hardly contribute to the sum. That means, in this case over here, the terms which have the higher value of the denominator. So that means here the terms which have a greater power of 2, right? Because they will hardly contribute to the sum. The second thing is jot down the terms. The first, so that means you have to consider only the first few terms. So consider only the first few terms. So here we have the first term. We can see that every odd term is positive and every even term is negative because of the power that is k plus 1, right? And k is the kth term. So the first term is 1 by 2, second term is minus 1 by 4, third term is 1 by 8, and fourth term is minus 1 by 16. I think till fourth term is fine only because they are going to contribute more towards your sum, right? And from 5 onwards, definitely they are hardly going to contribute any, whether it is a positive term or a negative term. Now, if you look at the next thing, what you need to do, you need to write the cumulative sum. So here, the value of the first term, that's 1 by 2. The value of the first two terms, so that means 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4, right? Which is equals to 1 by 4, which gives us 0.25. Alright, now we will find the cumulative sum of the first three terms. So that means 1 by 4, what's the third term over here? Plus 1 by 8. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8, which is 3 by 8. Now, what we can see that it is approximately 0.3. In fact, it is a bit greater than 0.3. Now, the value of the sum of the first four terms. So that means 3 by 8 minus 1 by 16, right? So which gives us 5 by 16 over here. Now 5 by 16 is again approximately 0.3, right? In fact, it is a bit less than 0.3. But what we can make out, what is the type of the sum, cumulative sum we are getting every time? If we see till fourth term, or even if we consider the fifth term, we can see here that it is 11 by 32. In fact, which is a bit greater than 0.3.